Hello, and welcome to Disability Counts. This website provides access to disability data in a variety of formats. In this brief tutorial, I will show you how to use our disability data dashboard. To access the dashboard, select the dashboard link from the homepage. You can use this tool to explore disability data at the state and county levels. We display these data in a set of 4 maps. You can move between these maps by clicking on the tabs at the bottom of the dashboard. We display maps on county level disability percent, county level disability employment percent, county level disability poverty percent, and state level disability percent. To view the map legend, click on the legend icon in the upper right of the map. This tells you the meaning of the color codes on each map. To view a set of data for a specific county or state, you have several navigation options. You can manually zoom into the map and move it around to frame an individual state or region. Use the roller on your mouse or the plus and minus icons in the bottom to zoom in and out, and click and drag to center on the desired area. Click on an individual county and a mini window will pop up with that county's data. You can also adjust these maps to view data for specific states, divisions, or metropolitan classifications. Using the left sidebar, you can click on a state and the map will zoom to that state. Clicking the reset button will zoom back out to the full US. You can use the same process to view data for metropolitan classification and census division. Once you've made your selection on one map, your selection will be reflected on the other 3. Text descriptions of these maps are also available by clicking on the text description for the Disability Data Dashboard link below the map. If you would like to download data for specific counties, you can use the Data Lookup tool. This tool allows you to select states, counties, and a variety of disability variables, such as those displayed in the dashboards. Finally, there is information and links to our data sources, as well as data definitions and various technical information. If you have questions or need help, click on Contact Us at the bottom of the page and email our data experts for technical assistance. Thank you. We hope you find this tool useful.